Today, we're going to learn about kirigami, snowflakes, and the color wheel. The first thing we need to do is prepare a template. If you had the template, you can skip this step. First thing we need to do is create a square piece of paper for our template. So take the top corner and fold it down until it meets the side edge. Then along that folded line, you're going to draw a dotted line to indicate where to cut it off later on. We need to find the halfway point on our template, so the easiest way to do that is to take the top edge and fold it down to the dotted line. That'll give us half of our square. Using a straight edge or a ruler, go ahead and trace that fold to make your line. Now we need to make a big X, so go ahead and use your straight edge once again through the center of the paper and make that big X. Now we need to label each of our sections in color wheel order, starting with red, then orange, yellow, green, and blue, and violet. Following color wheel order or the names on the template, you are going to choose an art supply of your choice and color each section with the correct color. To give ourselves a little bit of flair, you could use a black tool to make some shapes or patterns on top of your color wheel. This will give it a little extra detail and show what you know. I'm going to do all shapes on my primary colors, blue, red, and yellow, and then I'm going to do different kinds of lines on my secondary colors, orange, purple, and green. Now we need to cut off the bottom portion of our template on that dotted line that we created. So on the template or your homemade one, go ahead and cut away that piece. Now with the color facing inward, go ahead and fold your paper in half. Go ahead and fold it in half up once more. And now we need to take the two corners and fold it into a triangle. I'll show you one more time really quickly. Now using any kind of drawing tool, draw shapes or lines that start and end on the same side of your triangle. You never want to draw all the way through your triangle because that will cut your triangle in half and ruin your snowflake. You'll notice that I start and end on the same side for all of my shapes. Safely using a pair of scissors, I'm going to carefully cut away all of the shapes that I have drawn, being sure to set aside any of the extra pieces to be recycled. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and gently unfold your piece, following the folds that you had before to reveal your snowflake. Awesome job, now your snowflake is complete. Make sure you follow the directions on how to turn this in.